Beautiful day today. Let's see if we can make it out of here before this truck pulls out. But yeah, trying something a little bit new. The GoPro that I'm filming with today. I saw the GoPro released the info about their new one, the GoPro Mission 1, which is like the new GoPro camera. Whoa. And I was reading about how it's real like high bit rate and all that good stuff, and did some more reading, and it looks like I can, with the GoPro Labs firmware, you can basically overclock the GoPro 13, boost it up a bit. So that's what I've done. I installed the GoPro Labs firmware, and this is just the highest resolution option at 30 frames a second. So this will be our first test. So yeah, highest bit rate, which is 200 bit rate. And yeah, let me know if it looks good. You might notice the picture quality or like the leaves maybe a little bit crisper or such. Who knows? We'll be taking a right, going up the hill. But as always, thank you for joining me on this beautiful commute. It's nice and clear. And a good day to ride. The buddy's been sitting for about a week, so now it's getting all warmed up. These cherry blossoms. But what we'll do today is from today's commute, we of course ride into work today and tomorrow, but today we'll just be doing 30 frames a second at 30 FPS camera setting. And then tomorrow we'll do 60 FPS, and then you can tell me which one you like better, 30 or 60. Yeah, it's really nice. All the flowers are starting to bloom here. I'm not quite sure what's going on here. Alright, away we go. Slow down for this. There we go. I think the buddy was raring to go this morning. I've been riding oh, look at this. New plants. I've been riding the Kawasaki for about a week. And yeah, this is a welcome change. A lot better gas mileage. Just as we're commuting through town here. Pretty clear, but also kind of misty. That's kind of nice, really. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Hopefully we'll make this light. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Oh, what a nice day to be on a buddy. This guy some space. Bum, 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 bum. It's kind of fun not having a clutch and just kind of roll to a stop. Boy, the cherry blossoms are looking nice. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Look at those cherry blossoms. Those are just amazing. Always a little bit of a bump there. I guess the road doesn't fix itself. Alright guys, well, I'm going to cut it here. I've got a few minutes left to go, but I will see you at lunch. Take care. Or after work, depending on how the day goes. Take care. What's up, everyone? Beautiful. Look at this. Look how cool that is. Nice Lincoln. Beautiful day today. Just got off work. Got off a little bit early because I got an early morning ahead of me tomorrow. But we're just going to run to Jimmy John's, grab our lunch, and head home. So yeah, again, thanks for joining me. We're just kind of, besides our regular ride, we're doing also the video test for the GoPro Labs at 200 megabits bit rates, which is the highest I've ever used before. So let's see if the quality looks any better. Nice day to be enjoying the sunshine, that's for sure. And we'll just be here waiting for the lights. So it looks like we'll be able to go now because that car is waiting to turn. We'll just wait for this guy to cross. There we go. Green lights. How did we get so lucky for green lights? Dun, 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 dun. Nice day out. Jeez, nice warm breeze.